everyone. So I wanted to come at you tonight with what I do for my nighttime routine. So already took a shower, and I thought about this while I was in the shower. So I was like, maybe, because some people just don't know what to do before bed. Oh my gosh, my cat scared me. I'm sorry. She just jumped up. Anyways, Millie Grace is over here helping apparently. But I just wanted to, so what I did before I got in the shower, I used the eye makeup remover to take off my mascara from today. And I did wear both Lash Intensity and Waterproof, and you can see how well it took it off. And then I always do the double cleansing method. So I take makeup wipes. So these are, so there's 30 of them in a pack. And they come pretty large. So what I actually do is I take some scissors and I cut them like right in half. And it they just last longer and they work great. They foam up. These are great for when you're traveling. If you're doing like a short trip, you don't want to take a whole bunch of stuff with you. These are great cleansing cloths for that. But so I did that to take off my makeup. And so I will show you what I do for my nighttime routine. Super easy. Takes like 3-4 minutes, not very long. So I wet my face first, and then just nice and wet. And you can see I have some zits coming up and stuff. So we'll take care of those. So I use the Time Wise 3D. This is the normal to dry formulation. So I just put a teeny tiny amount. So like not very much on. And I have actually been using the naturally exfoliating powder. Boop, there we go. And it's a very fine, very gentle exfoliator, physical exfoliator. And you can actually use this twice a day. I only use it. Exactly. I've only been using it once a day, just my preference. But it's so gentle you can use it twice a day. So I don't know if you can see. It wasn't very much. I mean, I barely sprinkled any on there. So you just rub them together and just cleanse. I know. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. There we go. A little bit more foamy. And with this, since I'm using the exfoliator, I would not use my Skin Vigorate brush. So in the mornings, I use the Skin Vigorate brush, and then at night, I use the Naturally powder. And that big bottle lasts forever. No, you don't need, sorry, she's trying to take the power cord. So don't want that. So I only wash her about a minute, not very long. I don't know if you can hear the clicking in the background, but that's her trying to click on and off the video. I disconnected the Bluetooth for that reason. Okay, ready to rinse. Let you pat dry. Okay, and tonight I will actually be using the Clear Proof charcoal mask. So I'm just gonna put that on some of my trouble areas, which is usually my nose and my chin. I know, I think Grandma and Grandpa are home. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and I will be back. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. As you can see, I have quite a bit of gooiness right here. And it usually shows up pretty white when there's an active blemish right there. So that's just all the charcoal pulling everything out. So all I have to do is rinse this off real quick. And rinse it off. And while I was doing that, I went and put the chickens up. And everybody's happy tonight. And we have 9 turkey eggs and, I'm sorry, 9 chicken eggs and 2 turkey eggs under our brooder. And we candled them the other day and they are all fertile. So, yay. Okay, so after I rinse, what I'm going to do, so I have all my Clear Proof in one bag, and this is actually part of the roll-up bag. So these little Velcro parts, you just stick in the bag and it rolls up. Okay, anyways, I'm going to take out the acne treatment gel. So this has 5% benzoyl peroxide in it. So I just take very little, like a teensy tiny amount. I'm just gonna pat it in on that active blemish. Okay, there we we go. Do you think you need it? I don't think so. There we go. Okay. So after that, I am going to go ahead and do my night cream. So this is the Time Wise 3D night cream. Again, this the normal to dry formula, and it doesn't take much of it at all. So just a teensy amount. Okay. Okay, and then next is the eye cream. So the, again, Time Wise 3D eye cream. And it doesn't take much of that either. So put it on your ring finger. And you just lightly pat it in. You don't want to rub. And you don't have to get super close to the eye. The heat from your eye will actually draw it up. And I usually go above too. Okay, and voila. So the last step that I have just been doing in the last 30 days to test out and just see how it does is the Lash and Brow Building Serum. So what it looks like is just a little twist off tube. And on the very end is a little brush. And so as you can see, it is clear. And so I do it around, you do it on across your top lashes, like where you would put your, what do you call that stuff? Eyeliner. Mom brain right there. So where your eyeliner goes and then your eyebrows. And I can already see like my eyebrows are coming in, which is really nice because I have very faint, thin eyebrows. And my eyelashes were next to non-existent. So this stuff has really helped. So again, you just put it where your eyeliner would go. Yeah. And then a little bit for my eyebrows. And voila. So my nighttime routine is done. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye.